Oh man, I have a busy brain today. So I'm coming up with different ideas to try to, I need to get the glassware out. I need to unpack her boxes and sell them and list them. And I don't have a place to unpack boxes. So I'm trying to it's funny because, when you go through the place that you grew up, you have this mental memory of where things go. I know that sounds absolutely crazy in this situation right now, but I remember where the plates go when I was a kid, and the glasses went in pots and pans, and I'm trying to break out of that memory pattern to make things conducive to me. Babes was definitely noticing that some of the stuff I brought out for the last live sale, I hadn't given it the super clean once over. I mean, but he really cleans the vintage right off of stuff, so not in a bad way. So yeah, I'm trying to brainstorm how to set up a multi-strainer tower on half of the kitchen counter. And that's definitely not what I should be doing right now, but man, when you get that, I can't remember the cartoon character that, if he had to think, and then brain blast. When you have one of those brain blasts, you gotta just do it. Squirrel! She has a lot of these grates that go into, I don't know, they're probably from the inside of an oven or something. And clearly she collected them for some reason. I also have a lot of these blue plastic crates. So I was thinking, I definitely got to fix that path. Those pictures have to go elsewhere. More blue crates. And I've been using those to go up and down the stairs. But I've got, this space. I see this space. And wait a minute, where's my tape measure? So I'm looking at this space, right? And I've got 23 inches by, probably a standard counter, so it's probably, 24 inches by, that's probably about 3 feet to that thing. So if I can figure out something for this spot to be able to utilize all that free space. Now, what's funny, if I go back to one of the original videos, there was a planter thingy here. And I unpacked the planter thingy because I needed to see a clear counter. And I'm actually thinking about going and getting that planter thingy and putting it back for that exact reason. You have no idea how hard it is to not want to keep that space. It's so beautiful space. It reminds me of, what the kitchen used to look like. But yeah, I gotta break out of that. I gotta get her done. Well, in theory, this was a good idea. And then I could put another one up there. But there's holes. I need that part. So this isn't going to work either. Now I have my Sawzall here. Okay, now we're on to something. Let me see if I can go find a couple more of these in the yard. Okay, I got two options. I got my Sawzall and my jigsaw. I don't know which one's gonna work better, but this should be interesting. That is exactly what I want. So I want to clean these up, but of course I can't close the window. That's all right. Feels like the neighbor's keeping me company. All right, so we need some kind of way for the water to trickle into the sink. Friggin' perfect. Nice. Okay. That is exactly what I wanted. Okay. Don't need this thing yet. Something will come up for that. Now I'm going to clean these things up. Super strainer. Okay, back to work.